Hi, this is Mr. Richmond, and today we're going to be building an atom using the PhET simulation for the assignment that you have coming up. So, if we were to look at my handout and I were to pick out a random atom that I need to build, beryllium 2+ with a mass of 9 AMU, the first thing that I'm going to do is go to my periodic table and find beryllium, which has atomic number 4. So that tells us that it must have 4 protons. If it doesn't have 4 protons, it is no longer beryllium. Remember, the atomic number, the amount of protons, gives the element its identity. Next step is I need to figure out how many neutrons it has in this atom. So I'm going to take the rounded mass number, which is 9, subtract the atomic number, which is 4, and that must mean that I have a total of 5 neutrons. 4 protons at 4 AMU plus 5 neutrons at 5 AMU is going to give us a total mass of 9 AMU for this atom. So now I'm ready to build my atom. Remember, our beryllium atom must have 4 protons. If it doesn't, it is no longer beryllium. Next thing I'm going to do, because I have a charge, or I did have a charge of 4+, I want to make sure that that will be a neutral atom. So I'm going to add 2 electrons in the first energy level, 2 electrons in the second energy level. This is now neutral. But remember, for this assignment, I gave you a charge, so it needs to be 2+. There's 2 different ways that you might be able to think that you could do this. First thing you could do is go ahead and add 2 more protons to get a charge of 2+. But that changed the identity of the element and you no longer have beryllium, you are now working with carbon. So I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to go ahead and remove 2 electrons. And that will also give me a charge of 2+ and still keep my atom at beryllium. Last thing I want to do is add 5 neutrons to get the mass of 9 AMU. And I have successfully made my atom. For this assignment, I told you to take screenshots and post them in a Word document, and that's what you're going to be uploading to P-Learning. So if you're using a PC, you can use the print screen option in the top right-hand corner of your keyboard. Click that once. Go into your Word document. That should automatically paste it. Then you can either right-click, Control-Paste, or Control-V, and there's your screenshot for one of your 10 atoms that you will be making. If you're using a MacBook, you can click on Command-Shift-4 to take a screenshot. If you're using a Chromebook, you can hit the Control button as well as the Window button in the middle of the keyboard. I hope this helps, and good luck.